Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing, viewing and testing of this LIVARNOLUX LED solar spotlight. Okay, we got a light head, can be rotated and swiveled, sensor controlled spotlight with a 10 LEDs and motion detector, up to 8 hours of continuous light when in eco mode with a fully charged battery. 3 years warranty from Lidl, 5 to 12 meters, 90 degrees and minus 21 included battery. Okay, let's see what we have. IP44, 3 neodymium batteries included. Let's see what we have inside. Inside, of course, is the manual. Your choice if you want to read it. There it is for the light. This is a solar panel. Some mounting screws for mounting into your wall. And here is the unit with the LEDs. The cable that it will be connected to the solar panel. Here we got the motion detector, the switch off, auto and peer. Off is here, auto is lighting and peer is lighting more. The mechanism that you can adjust whatever is suitable for you is rotating close to 360, and then you can lock it wherever you like. Inside here are the rechargeable batteries that they store the energy from the solar panel, and completed drained batteries it will take 2 to 4 days to fully charge it. When the switch is in off mode, the batteries are charging with no problem. Then in auto mode, the light that is coming out is 20%, and when in the solar panel it detects some dust, it will turn off. And when fully charged, the batteries it will give about 8 hours of light. On the peer mode, the solar cells are charging the batteries, of course, and they switch on the product in twilight and on the dark. When the motion detectors detects movement, the lights on time is approximately 1.5 minutes. If additional movement, of course, it will detect, it will reset again for about, and again it's measured 1.5 minutes. When it fully charged the batteries from the solar, it will last in this position, on the peer position, about 2 hours. Okay, let's connect to the solar, and of course it will need some solar light to charge the batteries. I think this product, it will be very helpful to your home, to your garden, to your main entrance, to your garage, to your storage. I think there is a variety of use of these products, and you know better where and when you can use it into your place. And guys, I think for 12 euros, yep, thumbs up for these products. I'm a little bit concerned that it doesn't have a lithium battery side, and the batteries, it says in the box, are neodymium batteries that they are charging here. Well, it's only 12 euros, why not? If you want to buy it, just buy it. If it's useful for you, just buy it. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, you never know who may need it. Like or dislike my video is your choice. And hit the notification bell, because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.